So I have a question for you. Do you absolutely love the look of false eyelashes, but do you hate the sticky, messy eyelash glue? 'Cause I do. Well, say goodbye to eyelash glue because now there is magnetic false eyelashes. I am not kidding. They now make fake eyelashes with magnets on them. How do they stick on? Well, with magnetic liquid eyeliner, of course. This is Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner and magnetic eyelashes, and I am going to do a review on them for you today and show you how to apply them. So, here we go. I've already applied my eyeliner, so I'm going to apply the magnetic liquid liner on top of it and use my regular eyeliner as a guide so that I don't mess up or have any smudges that I don't want anywhere. So I'm just going to apply it anywhere I want it to go. I'm not going to apply it on the tail because, well, the lashes aren't going to stick on that part, so I'm going to just apply where the lash band would go, and I'm going to wait for the liner to dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyeliner has dried. I am going to now show you how easy it is to apply on the lashes. The name of these are called Crowd Pleaser. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. That stuck on like no trouble at all. With no trouble at all. Like, whoa, and look how big my eyes look now. Hold on, I'm gonna apply the other pair. Holy mackerel, you guys. Like, whoa. Like, I had to adjust with my tweezers, maybe just a tad bit to make sure they were like exactly in the right place. But look how amazing and how big my eyes are. Like, this is incredible looking. The only thing I would say is to make sure that you apply the eyeliner in every single spot where you want it to stick, or trim them down with scissors so that they actually fit your eye in case they're too big. But these are awesome.